Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are going to be unboxing the July 2020 Boxycharm. My box did come a little bit torn today, but I hope nothing is broken. And if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, just continue watching. Alright, so this month's theme was Boxycharm Sunshine, and I have not been looking at spoilers because I tend to have more fun with my boxes when I don't look at spoilers. And the variation that I got is variation number 31. There are too many variations, y'all. But the first thing that came in my box, I'm actually pretty excited about this. This is the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster, and it's $135. This brand is super, super expensive. I do have one other serum from them. It is the Cryo ATP Sports Booster, and this actually feels really good on my skin, and so I'm super excited to try another thing from their brand and not pay the $135 because this came in Ipsy and this came in Boxycharm, so I'm happy. But this booster is supposed to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This is how she looks. I'm gonna put a dot on my wrist just to see. No fragrance, and it feels like a gel. So I'm excited to try this one out. It's recommended to use in the morning before you do anything to your face. The next item in my box, I'm actually super excited about too. It's the Hourglass Arch Micro Sculpting Pencil. This retails for $28, and my friend London is obsessed with this. I got the shade Dark Brunette. This is how it looks. It's a teeny tiny tip, and I'm gonna draw on my wrist just to show y'all. That is the little swatchy. I'm super excited to try filling my brows with this. The next item in my box is the Pur Festival 2.0 palette. This is the color story in the back, and I'm just gonna open it to see if it's broken or not, just because the box is a little bit dented, and my Boxycharm box came a little bit destroyed this month too, so I'm hoping that didn't affect anything in the palette. But this palette retails for $36, and this is how she looks. Oh, I'm glad I opened it up because in the back of the palette it looks like these are reds, but when you open her up, they're pinks. That's pretty interesting. I don't know if I'm going to keep this palette for myself, or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway, or if I'm just going to give it to my little cousin, but we shall see what I do with this. The next item in my box is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes eye mask. This retails for $21, and it has 12 pairs in here. They look like your regular eye masks, like the 24 karat gold ones, but gold is not an ingredient in this one, so I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of eye masks. I never see a difference when I use them, so I'm not too excited about this one. Okay, and last but not least, it's the Dochi or Dochi. I don't really know how to pronounce this brand, but this is the Fierce and Fine graphic pen. It's $21 as well. I'm gonna do a little swatchy on my hand. That's how she looks, and I am wearing this eyeliner on my eyes. I did just want to try it out as soon as I opened up the freaking box because I love eyeliner, so I just like went bang, and I was like, oh, I'm impressed because that's without a cut. Like, I usually cut my wing eyeliners with a makeup wipe, but I didn't have to do that, and that wing is sharp. So I am looking forward to using this. $21, I don't know if I'd pay for that, but I'm happy to have it in my collection because it is stunning. Alright, and so that was everything in my box, and in total, everything in my box has a retail value of $241. So that's a lot considering we only paid $27 for the whole entire box. I believe that there are more hits than misses here. I don't really care for these, but I'm super excited for 1, 2, and 3. So I'm pretty content with this box, not gonna lie, especially because the last 2 months have been total duds for me. I don't know how I feel about this. We shall see where it ends up, but I'd say this was a really good box. I haven't seen anybody else's unboxings, but since I'm Variation 31, I'm positive there are many other items that are coming out in Boxycharm this month. I'm happy with my box. I'm content. It survives for another month because I was getting so tired of Boxycharm. But that is everything I had to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.